southwestern California until 11 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 8:07 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Fillmore, Ojai, Santa Paula, Rose Valley, Ventura County, Thomas Fire Zone 3 through 10, Miners Oaks, and Highway 33 between Wheeler Springs and Rose Valley Road. A flash flood warning for a recent burn area means that flooding and debris flows are imminent or occurring. Residents living in or immediately downstream should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Quickly move away from the burn area only if it is safe to do so. Otherwise, shelter in place and move to a second story or the highest location in your home to stay out of the path of fast-moving water and debris flows.